2.0 PVS. This happens to be a 6-foot model. One of the features of the PVS is we have X, Y, and Z movement. So the Z or vertical adjustment is via these hand wheels here through a gear on each end to raise the machine to the product. We have a longitudinal hand wheel here to get obviously up to the die. Then we have the X movement here of the tank via hand wheels on each side for finite to adjust to the die. We also have micro adjustment hand wheels for the water flow. Because this is a precision machine, we don't want a lot of turbulence in the system, and we want to be able to adjust the water finite. Now, the heart and soul of the machine is the tooling up top. This is non-contact tooling. I want you to come in a little bit here and show the tooling. Right out of the die, we have a skimmer, or a spray ring as some people call it, and a spray tool. And what we do is we create a little lubrication on the part to bring it into this stainless steel head. Then we have a water well, and the purpose of the water well is to create a vacuum seal so we don't bring air into the machine and cause ripples or distortions to the part. Then we have the UHMW tool right up front. And what will happen is the part goes through the tank, it will bring in fresh water with it into the tank and cool the part while it's under vacuum. So this is a fixed tool. It might be hard to see in the video, but the fixed tool means the beginning of the vacuum tool is flush at this point right here with this UHMW. Now an adjustable tool, it's about a 1" 12 thread, and what we could do is we could walk the vacuum closer to the extruder or into the water well or back it off depending on how quick we want to pull the vacuum versus the water on the product. Now once we're in the vacuum sizer, we just have hold down rollers as usual to hold the part from rising above the water level to keep it from distorting. And then we have a exit tank. Now this tank, even though it gives us another 12 inches of cooling, really the purpose of this tank is to create a vacuum seal on the exit end. So if we suck anything in, we'll suck in water and thus not air and no turbulence. Then we have an 8-inch drip dry section for the part, and if the part was still wet, it would be, the rest of the water would be caught in the catch pan. Okay?